Today I'm gonna show you how to add an admin on your Facebook page. First of all, you have to log in to your Facebook account and switch to your desired page which you want to add or remove an admin. Then you have to go to your professional dashboard. Here we go. Then when you reached on the professional dashboard, then you have to scroll down to page access on the left panel. Then click on the page access. Then you will have this type of windows. If you are the only admin, then here that will show. If you want to add another admin, then you have to click add new. After that you have to click on next, and then you have to search that person on the Facebook. If I type a name, then it will appear on the screen, and if you click on that person, he will get a notification of that invitation, and if he or she agreed to this invitation, then Facebook page admin will be added. If you want to remove someone, then you have to click on the three dot on the right side of that person. Here is a remove access pop-up. If you click on that, he or she will be removed from your page. That's all.